In this video, we're gonna go over the multiple ways for you to make money from cryptocurrency. Let's jump straight into this. Now, fortunately for you, there are so many avenues that you can take to make money, come on, from cryptocurrency. Let's go through some of those. One, simply investing in a coin, right? Find a project. Guys, remember, on this YouTube channel, on CoinCasso's YouTube channel, I have taken you through the key factors that you must look at before you're investing, how to pick a good crypto project. But conduct some due diligence. Understand what a project is about. Understand its native token, because that's what you're buying. You're buying the tokens, right? Does it have real case value? Is there going to be more hype around this token? Is there going to be larger mass adoption? We need the value to go up. So fundamentally, understanding the project and does it have longevity is critical in your decision. Are there risks? Of course. With anything that you invest in, there are risks, man. It's just down to you making a calculated decision, calculated risks when it comes to investing, when it comes to trading, forming a view, and then going for it, allocating a percentage, however much, certain percentage of your portfolio to that project, and just go for it and hope, obviously, that is going to gain in value. As long as you see potential in it, great. Stick some money down on that. My next point, margin trading. Okay, I again have done a series on this, right, which I will further extend. It's on this channel, how to trade cryptocurrency. Now, you can make money by margin trading cryptocurrency. Remember, when we're margin trading, we don't physically own the token. We don't physically own it. We're speculating on its movement, whether whatever time frame. Okay, we're speculating whether the price is going to go up or whether it's going to go down. We're buying and we're selling, but we're not physically holding that asset. We're just speculating on its price movements, and you can do this on a variety of platforms out there, speculating on that. What I say with margin trading, it's so critical. A few things that you don't over leverage, because brokers offer a ton of leverage where you only need a little bit of money to trade and they give you massive buying power. Now, with that massive buying power that brokers give you, yes, you can make a lot of money, but you're more likely to lose that, blow up your account, and that's what the brokers love. The little buggers. They're in their dirty tactics. They suck you in. They say, great, use all this leverage, buy or sell, whatever you want to do, have all this leverage, and then you blow up your account. And that's what happens most of the time. So it's really important that you understand risk management and you have a strategy in place. As I say, do check out my How to Trade Crypto series where I go over trading cryptocurrency, margin trade it. The other one, passive income, staking. Now, you can stake a cryptocurrency, okay, as long as it's on its proof of stake, okay? So proof of stake based cryptocurrency where you can essentially stake your coins, okay, and it's helping the ecosystem. There's a number of coins that you can do it with, so do check that out and make sure that your coin can be staked, and it's certainly worth doing because it is passive income. You're helping the ecosystem of something that you're invested in, right? Helping its growth, helping with the verification of transactions, so on and so forth, and your tokens are held, essentially like they're bonded for 30 days. It could vary in terms of how long your coins are bonded for, but you can unbond them as well. But every day, typically speaking, the holdings that you're gaining, you're earning more. Now, it does vary. You could get between 2 to 3%, some maybe even 5% per month on your investment. But check it out. Staking does, I think, generally have a low risk, but with anything, there are risks in case the price absolutely plunges of your cryptocurrency that you're staking, or it completely just disappears. Obviously, you do have those risks. Unlikely, but it depends. It depends on what project you are investing in. Another option for you, guess what? You can lend, peer-to-peer lending. There are a number of platforms where you can put up your cryptocurrency and other cryptocurrency users will borrow your cryptocurrency and you'll get paid a fixed rate per annum or whatever the time frame may be for you lending out your cryptocurrency. You get paid an interest rate on that. You get paid a yield for lending that. There's a number of platforms out there like BlockFi, Gemini, so on and so forth, okay? So you can lend your cryptocurrency. So those are some key ways for you to potentially earn some money, some multiple avenues there, and there's some more, but those are some key ones, some straightforward ones for you to look into where you can make some money. Now, how exactly do I make money from cryptocurrency? Well, some of those key ways that I just spoke about, right? I, of course, have physical holdings. I invest in cryptocurrency. I am a long-term holder. I'm holding for the next 5, 10 years, 15 years even, right? With some of my cryptocurrencies, I generally believe that because I have enough holdings. And obviously, I will take some profits along the way of those physical holdings. But right now, with a lot of mine, I'm holding. I'm a big hodler, baby. But before I get to that those physical holdings, what I'm doing is I'm margin trading, okay? So I'm making what's known as my fast money, okay? My bread and butter, my day-to-day, I'm speculating. You know, I went over this in the How to Trade Cryptocurrency series, showing you a simple strategy of looking out for certain chart patterns, certain candlestick behaviors. Please, if you're a beginner, check out that series, okay? Because that's how I make my fast money, my bread and butter every day, through cryptocurrency and other financial instruments as well, such as Forex and indices and commodities, right? So I'm making my fast money. As soon as I've made that, then I put it into my slow money. My slow money is my long-term, my hodling, right, of my physical holdings. This is a very smart thing to do, because your money now, okay, your fast money is, yes, it's paying for expenses, paying for bills, right? But then we use a good portion of that and put it into our slow money, because our slow money down the line is going to keep paying us. And with all of those physical holdings as well, I further use my head. I further leverage on those physical holdings by staking my coins. There we go. There's further, investment, return on investment that I'm getting there. Now, I want to show you something that's really helps me along the way with a couple of very good investment calls for myself, really. The first one here was Binance Coin, okay? So for me, I saw the value, and this is what I said before about you doing your own due diligence, you conducting your own research on a coin. I obviously knew about Binance Coin, knew about the potential of Binance. Again, there's a video on this, by the way, me reviewing this, because it's more upside to come for this one. But I got in quite early back here at the back end of November 2020. And, right now, obviously still today up 1,500%, 1,500% on that token. Okay, I'm not going to specify numbers of investment, but it's a chunky amount. Again, another case here with ADA. ADA today, what are we up? About 1,000%, getting in down at that 10 cents mark, okay? So these are some of the potentials for us to be making money. This is how I'm making my money. Finding these opportunities and putting some capital down, calculated investment, right? Making my fast money from my speculative trading and then putting it into my slow money, because my slow money is going to really pay me down the line and continue to pay me. Now, of course, with anything, it takes time, right? It takes time to master any sort of craft. They say it's 10,000 hours, for mastery in any craft. And I obviously certainly achieved that. I've had 6 years specifically with cryptocurrency, but 13 years in the financial markets. Now, fortunately, there's people like myself out there, and you leverage the knowledge. You somewhat fast track yourself by digesting the right sort of knowledge, okay, to help you on your own specific journey. But always note, things are a process. You'll get there, and you will get, if you're doing the right things, you will get strokes of luck, like I showed you with that Binance Coin, like I showed you with ADA. With certain investments, they can help fast track you, but be smart when you get that fast track. Do smart things with that money and help further multiply it, right? It's key. Make that fast money and that slow money, both, okay? Because they're both really, really key, of course. All right, now, in terms of mistakes that I've made over the years, thought I'd be worth giving you that. When it comes to cryptocurrency and just trading in general, something very early on in my days was what I explained before, what brokers do, giving me too much leverage. I abused that. So I abused the leverage, and I'd blow my accounts many times before I learned properly how to trade. Try and skip that if you can, okay? Because it's very, very costly. It's a very costly lesson, and it certainly taught me. My other thing was over trading, right? If you've made some money, be happy. Get in and out, because the markets are so volatile and so unpredictable. Be happy if you've made some money. Get the hell out of there, right? Get your money and get out. And then some of my final point, cryptocurrency and just financial markets in general. And I know it sounds cliche, but it's a serious, I'll tell you the statement, it's cliche in a moment, but it's a serious craft. If you can master it, man, it really seriously pays you. And the point I wanted to make is, yes, you can live on your own terms. Like for me, I've traveled through the world. I've taken what I've done because I know I can make money wherever I am. The markets, I've got them in my hands. So I can make money wherever I am. I've traveled through Asia, through Europe. Right now I'm in Dubai. I moved from the UK. So it gives you that freedom, it gives you that flexibility to live in your own terms. So long as you get the right knowledge first and build up that right amount of capital, you can have that power and that freedom. Other than that, if you did enjoy that video, please do smash up the subscribe button and like button. Just sharing some knowledge and value there. Stay lit, stay blessed. Let's get it.